Hey guys, how are you doing? And we are here for today to talk about the latest news on the market, what happening with here is Middle East situation and the conflict between US and Iran, what will happen with the gold, oil, all the other assets on the market, and how we can make money on all of that things, guys. So this is weekly review forex with Vladimir Zhadan, and we are starting right now. So guys, and the first what we are talking today about, this is the situation on the Middle East. And I told you last time that the chance of the real ground force operation in the Middle East in increasing every day, and now 68% of people on the Polymarket platform thinking that till the end of the April ground force operation will start in Iran. So US will go on the ground forces inside the Iran territory, and now they're talking about that, and people think that it will happen. What I'm thinking, I'll let you know a little bit later, but this is important to know always. This market always going in other side from most of the people think. This is what you should always remember and keep in your mind. One more thing there that's now in almost all the airports around the bay and around all this territory and Iran countries, in airports many people from the army and all of them are coming from US for that operation, for the ground operation, I guess. Yeah, maybe it will happen really. And also one guy who before was in forces told me that some of his friends let them know that they're really now coming all from US to the Middle East and preparing the operation, and he like in a special team, and this team coming only when already they confirmed that it will happen. So they're not coming with this first team just for save somebody or just to support. They come in only when they need to enter inside the country, and it should happen 7th of April, tomorrow, basically. So let's see what will happen. My opinion that if it will happen, it will be very fast, because for Trump it's really already not good, because now he still has elections in the Senate in November 2026, and now the voices between Democratic and Republic Party is 52 for Democratic and 49 for Republics, and I guess that he understands that this destabilization only grows if he will continue this operation, and in that case Democrats will go only higher and higher with them voices, and for him it's not good 100%. And I guess my opinion that he will do everything to start the escalation in already soonest time and soon as possible, and I hope that we will see how it all will finish around of 15 to 20 April in this month. And also, guys, as I told already, that 68% of people thinking that until the end of the April the ground operation will start happening, and it means that already this all of this, even if this situation will happen, even if ground force will go and the ground operation will start in Iran until the end of April, all of this already in the price on the market. So what it means? If they really will start the operation, in that case, market will not react so much. Yeah, maybe we will see some dip, maybe we will see some dump, but that will be not too much, because investors, traders already thinking about that and already put this all minds in the market. And if this operation will not start and we will see some steps of the escalation of that conflict, in that case, my opinion that we will see a good reaction in the long. Yeah, and we will see the short squeeze. Yeah, we'll see a high long, then return and short. That's why we are waiting the price on our levels, and I told you about that many times. I'll show it you one more time now on the market, on the chart, and you will see this. Yeah, also if we look on the BTC, I wanted to show you two levels where you should to just concentrate and understand what you have to do. You should to trade only from this level, because any other levels can just give you only lose of your money, because this is liquidity levels. Here is we have a gap on the CME exchange, and for sure it will go there for squeeze and then go down. That will be like this, maybe. Yeah, you should be ready for that, and it will go in this point 62 to 60,000. You also should to take a long position, guys. Look at this, and now I'll show you other charts and you'll understand how it works like. So what you should do now about BTC, that's index of volatility of Bitcoin now reached a new minimum, the same minimum as it was in this point. The same minimum as it was at 28th of Feb. So, and now after that we see the reaction. And by the way, we took a long from here, amazing long, I remind you guys. So there was such amazing long from here, I remind you this. Now we see also the long reaction from here, and it's still not the end. I'm waiting these levels. Yeah, I will thinking only if we will reach this level, maybe about to start to open my short position. But basically for long, I'm waiting only this level, and you should to just be ready for that and don't spend your time to try to trade and lose your money here in the middle of the range. It doesn't have any reason. So we are waiting on that week 2 inflation and gross domestic products index, also the GDP of US, and it will show us what is happening with economy really in Federal Reserve. We'll look exactly on that information to understand what they will do. But to the secret I wanted to tell you guys, they already printed 160 billions of dollars from the beginning of this year. Yeah, they printed 160 billions of dollars and just make injection in economy already, and you can ask me why. I'll let you know a little bit later. But they already start print money, so they prepare into something. Hey guys, also one more interesting thing, that's exactly 7th of April is last deadline from the post of Trump about the 48 hours notice for Iran that he will make exactly hell in Iran if they will not open the bay, Hormuz Bay, and we'll see what will happen. We'll see what will happen. But in the same time, any morning we can just get notice that they start diplomatic conversation and everything will escalate so fast. Because there is a Trump, you know, now the situation with the Trump speeches like that. If he says his highs, everything is positive, everything will fine, short. If he's saying no, all is bad, I will make hell in Iran and I will crush everything and damage everything, something like that, long. Because now with the Trump, you should to trade like that in the reverse side. Same like with Jim Cramer, guys, you know, it's something like that. Guys, just to know, you always can find the calendar of the important news on the week in my Telegram channel. It's absolutely free. Everybody can subscribe and know what exactly happened on the markets and when and how market will react. So subscribe for my Telegram channel and let's be in touch. Guys, I remind everybody that I can help you with unlocking your exchange account, any of exchanges, Binance, Bybit, even FTX or OKX, any of that exchanges, I can help you to unlock your deposit account if your assets are blocked. And any reason doesn't matter, I can help you. And all what you need to do, just write me to my Telegram directly what happened with your account and when it happened, and I will help you guys. So if you need help with these things, just let me know. So guys, let's look a little bit on the charts and what here is happening. First, I wanted to show you the silver, and I told you guys, remember that setup which I showed you on BTC a few minutes ago, and now you will see what's happening on the silver. I gave you in the last my weekly review these levels, and now you see how it was. Yeah, it looks like this. Please also make a screenshot and write me thank you in the comments. This is exactly what happening now on the gold, or on the silver. It happened on the silver, and now you see how it is. And this is exactly what happening when I'm do analytics with my team. And this is the exactly perfect trade here we took with all the community and with all my guys. So we took just like this trade I show you it's last time, with a nice risk reward. Guys who want to make same trades, understand how to work with the market and make profit here, just subscribe my Telegram channel under that video and you will understand how to do this. So about the silver, we reached this zone. Now this zone already doesn't work. Now we're waiting for this zone. This long zone still working, so we are waiting how it will go here, and then we will take a long position. So guys, just take the setup and be ready to open your position or put the limit order, and you will get the profit on the market. So guys, yeah, and let's watch also S&P 500 highs. I show you many times that I'm waiting the correction of S&P 500, and now you can see we reached all three levels which I gave here on S&P 500 and I'm waiting really some corrections here for the first to this imbalance level around 6,200, 6,088. But for the first, we should to grab liquidity on level 6,700 and 6,520, something like this. How it was, you can see now on your screens, and now we reach all these levels for the correction. For sure, now we have some pullback here, but still we are going to the level 6,200, and I told about that many times, guys, and now we see this correction. So guys, also if we will open gold, we will see that here is happening exactly the same situation that I told you. What exactly same? That I'm giving the analysis and I'm telling what will happen. It's happened exactly like that. Optimal trend position. I'm waiting now for something like that. Yeah, in already nearest time. So just all what we need to do, this is to join the trend. So see what we can see here now. I told you that we have here a huge imbalance, yeah, and it's the price going to touch this medium level, optimal level of this imbalance, and from that levels, from this optimal level, we got this reaction. You see the correction, and now it will continue going like that. Depend on the situation in Middle East. Yeah, gold can give us a new all-time high, or it can still be corrected more. It depends on the situation of DXY. We will understand soon where it will go. So, but now all this movement, all is what happening here. I told you that it will happen like that, and exactly now you can see how we reach this level, which I show you last 2 weeks. So about if we're talking about DXY, guys, there you should understand just that's for now. Yeah, it still has many targets higher here. You can see this, all these targets, and this is a huge imbalance where it should to go. Yeah, we break this level, yeah, channel, and now it will go higher and higher. But depend if the escalation will start soon. Yeah, we can see some correction, but after that only higher and higher. That means that soon correction on the gold will continue, but it depends which liquidity they will grab first. Yeah, that depends which liquidity they will grab first, because if we'll open the monthly, we will see that here is correction that almost isn't start. It's almost didn't start, guys. It's just a very light mode of correction right now we can see, and that's why this my swing setup is still active from the 4,000. So just be ready for that, guys. So guys, you will see the euro dollar also, we can see this it's almost reached the low side of range, downside of the range, yeah, and you know that I'm always open the trades only from liquidity levels, the upper liquidity, the sell liquidity, the buy liquidity levels, and sides. Only from the sides I open my trades, and here is, yeah, it's working with optimal line now of this range. Yeah, we can see how it work here, how it work here. Yeah, it's respect these levels, and this good. Yes, but intraday here it's not give us break structure. Yeah, it should give us break structure as minimum. Yeah, we break it here, but then we are not break it here again. So I'm waiting if we will break here there. Maybe I will continue to take some longs here. I will for sure write that about this trade in my Telegram for free, so who won't just join Telegram, under that video you will find the link. Yeah, but I prefer more now situation on the pound. I'll show you now that I'm waiting for some deviation here, and we now got this point almost exactly make deviation of the buy side of the range, and now we see the reaction. I really like that, and I opened the position here. So that's why, yeah, here we also break this level, yeah, then drop back, and from there I start take my long position to renew this level. After renew this level, I will be for sure that it's a nice long. Yeah, my stop loss is now here. We'll see what will happen. It's still grabbing here some liquidity, and also leave here some liquidity also, but we'll see. I'm always control risk management, and this is the most important thing, guys. Always control your risk management, please. So guys, also about the natural gas, I'll give you now a nice setup on the natural gas. You can see that here it will go down, in my opinion, because now we almost break this support level. Yeah, and you can see, and after that will be break, we will drop here on the 2.53, and there we will have some pullback. From there I recommend you to take a short, from here I recommend you to take a long position. Why? Because now the gas and the oil will also available on Binance, and last time when silver and gold was available on Binance. After that, we saw 40% discount in one day, blood on the market, something like that. And maybe it will happen same on the gas. We'll see. So, oh guys, also I gave you last time the nice position and nice opportunity to take that position on a hype coin. And now you can see what we have here. We have here more than 7% clear movement, and everybody can get it. Now we see what we have. So the same things, all levels which I'm giving you guys, working perfectly. So just take it and make profit on the market, guys. And who want to understand more, just follow my Telegram channel and I will teach you guys. So guys, also if we're talking about the Ethereum now, I'll show you last position on Ethereum. If we're talking about the Ethereum now, I recommended you to watch on these levels. See this level is 1915 and 1840. From this level you can make a strong buy if the price will go here, but be ready to buy a little bit lower, yeah, and the reaction could be something like that. So just be ready, but always control your risk management and stop loss always under the low. So in that case everything will be good, guys. Also I want to tell you that now in the last 5 years we have the situation when the Federal Reserve has to start print money, because last time they did it around 5 years ago in 2021 when we saw such amazing bull run, and now they already start printed money, 160 billions they printed and make injection and economy already to prepare it to put the pillow for the fall of the economy. And my opinion that anyway we should to see some shock, some hard days, some blood on the market, and only after that they will really make a printer on maximum speed, yeah, and after that we will see how all the markets will go higher and higher, yeah, but for that needs some time, and in front of us we are waiting in the soonest time some scary times, guys. I told about that will be scary times, that will be very scary, but after that all markets will just fly up, yeah. We need to have a diamond hands, diamond balls, guys, and we will make profit on the market in any time, in any day. And always you should to know that you should to trade with really objective things on the market. So don't think that if I keep long, it should go long. No, guys, if you trade on the market, you should to look on all what's happening, analysis, all of these things, news, fundamental, technical, and all the concepts, everything, and only after that you should to make a right summary and open the position. It's working only like that. And always control your risk and everything will be good on the market. This is what the most important things on the market. All my trades, all my opinions and everything I'm sharing every day with many, by the way, nice content about my life in my Telegram channel and Instagram. Subscribe under that video and have a nice week, guys. See you. Bye bye.